Good evening, mom.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 12th chapter, new chapter.
Yes.
Circles. In Telangana State Book, page number 262, 263.
Yes.
Today we will learn the new exercise 12.1 all problems and solutions
Okay.
in this session. Are you understood previous class?
Yes.
All are the topics 12.1 introduction topics. All are the definitions of the circles. What's the circle definition? What's the parts of the circles? All are the definitions.
Yes.
Okay. And all are examples. It's over. In previous class only. In this session, first let us recall those are points only.
Yes.
Okay. First, circles. Do you know the circles, Gagan Sai? Circles definitions. What's the parts of the circles? Those are points. All are already finished in previous grade only. Okay. What is the circles? What is the radius? What is the diameter? What is the arc?
Yes.
What is the minor arc? What is the major arc? What is the circumference? Those are topics.
Yes.
It's over in previous grade.
Yes.
So once again, let us recall it only. Those are points.
Yes.
Circles.
Okay.
Have you see circles in our surroundings, Gagan Sai? Have you see the objects?
Yes. A coin.
What are the objects?
Coin.
Coin,
Ball.
ball. Next,
Earth.
what are the coins? Bangles also. Okay, these are the some examples of the circle shape examples. Okay, next, circles definition: a collection of all points in a plane. A collection of all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance. Fixed distance from the fixed point in the same plane is called as the circle. Okay, the collection of all are the points. These all is the points only. Okay, set of all are the points. We get a circle, this shape. Circle we get it only. All are the points. Are you understood? Circle definition. This is the circle. This is the center. Center is a fixed point of the circle is called as the center. This is the center. Okay. This is called center. And what is the radius? A fixed distance from the center to the any points on the circle.
Okay.
Is called as the radius.
Yes.
This is nothing but radius. This is the radius. Okay.
Yes.
All are the definitions. I am not write it here. Why? Because you already tick in our textbook only. So that's why only I will explaining. These are all are the points. Once again, let us recall only.
Yes.
In this session. A radius. It's over. Radius it's denoted by small r.
Yes.
This is the center is O.
Yes.
And next, diameter.
Yes.
What is the diameter? The line segment
Yes.
joining any 2 points. The line segment joining any 2 points. 2 points on the circle. Here it is the A, B. Okay.
Yes.
That passing through the center.
Yes.
Then this is called as the diameter.
Okay.
This is the diameter. Okay.
Yes.
Next, what is the circumference? The circumference is the complete length of the circle is
Yes.
called as the circumference. The distance around the circle is called as the circumference. This is the circumference. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is the circle some parts. It's over. All are the definitions already ticked in your textbook. After later you read and practice at home. Okay. Yeah. Next, let us take the another example of the circle. Yeah, this is a textbook. One example is gave Gagan Sai. Yeah, look at this figure in Telangana State Book, page number 260. Yeah, this is one examples. Yeah, this is the Ganuga oil mill. Okay.
Yes.
Otherwise, here it is the pressed oil mill.
Yes.
Or traditional oil mill.
Okay.
All alag names. This mill only. Okay.
Yes.
What are the purpose are using this mill?
Yes.
Oil purpose are
Yes.
using only. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is the Spanish wheel. In this figure, one bullock here is Gagan Sai. One bullock is tied to fulcrum, fixed at a point. Okay.
Yes.
This is the wheel. The wheel, what's the materials of the wheel? Wheel is whatever the material, steel or stone and wooden materials are used in wheel. So bullock is tied to the bullock at a mixed point only. So here it is that the wheel is then rotated, obtained by one animal, bullock animal. Okay. Here one shape of path is formed here. What is this shape? Can you identify, Gagan Sai? What is the shape of the path? What is this shape? Do you know this
circle.
one? Circle shape of the path is formed on. Here it is the a line along the boundary made by the bullock is a circle. Here it is the one line. One line is along the boundary made by the bullock is a circle. The oil press is attached to the ground at a fixed point. Okay. Yeah, this wheel is also circle shape. Here it is the one fixed point. This is the center one. It is the traditional oil mill. This mill, the extracting oil from the seeds and nuts.
Yes.
Whatever the seeds or whatever the nuts are, this is the center only. This fixed point is called as the center. Here this distance. Okay, distance is called as the radius. With the same distance, the bullock is moving only. Okay, this is the radius. This is the radius. This is the center. Okay, this is the circle shape. Are you understood? This is the one example in our daily life. It is the traditional oil mill. Yeah, this is the one example. It's over. And next in the chapters we will study the circles. What are the related terms and properties of the circles? Today we will learn it only in the chapter. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Before the chapters in previous grades, how to draw the circles? Do you know how to draw the circles? What are the objects are using?
Compass.
Compass and pencils only. Okay.
Bangle.
And bangles also. To the help of bangles and coins also. Yeah, those are objects are using. Easily we can draw the circles only. Okay. You already learned only in previous grade only. It's over. Okay, are you clear? And next, this is the circle definition.
Yes.
Fixed point O is called as the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. And fixed distance OA, ear to ear, is called as the radius. Radius of the circle is over. And next, another examples. Have you see the circular parks in our surroundings, Gagan Sai? Yeah, this is the one circular park only. One person is started walking from the point around the park only. Complete the one round. Okay. What do you call the distance? covered by the person. What do you call? The total length of the boundary of the circular path. What is called? The total length of the circular path is called as the circumference of the path. The complete length of the path is called as the circumference of the path. Here, this path. I already finished only. This is the. Okay, the distance around the circle of the call is called as the circumference only. It's over. Already it's over. And next one, here, concentric circles.
Yeah.
This is the concentric circles only. Here it is an activity is there only in our textbook. First, we can draw the one circle. We can draw the one circle at point O point. From the center, we can draw the circles. We can draw the two or more circles with the different radius. Radius is different. We can draw here only. Okay. Different radius or increase or decrease the radius. We can draw the some more circles with the same center. Yeah, this is the concentric circles. Circles having the same center with the different radii.
Yeah.
Radius is the different radius only. Year to year, year to year, just like year to year. Okay, different radii. But center is the same center. So many circles have the same center with the different radii. Is called as the concentric circles. Okay, are clear? Yeah, this is the, it's over. And do these problems, Gagan sir. In this figure, which circles are congruent to the circle A? Yeah, in this figure is alphabetical C is there. Which figure? Circle A is congruent figure. What's the figure? E figure only. Why it is congruent?
Same
this
size
is the same length and
same figure.
Same radius of the circles only. So that's why these two are is the congruent only. Congruent circles. And next second one. What measure of the circles make them congruent? What measure of the circles make them congruent? When two circles are congruent, said to be, when two circles are said to be congruent. So, circles radius are equal. Then the two circles are congruent only. So, here what the measure of the circles? Radius. Radius is measure of the circles to make them the congruent only. Radius are equal. Then to make a congruent only. And next topic. Here, a circle is divides the plane into on which it lies into the three parts only. This is okay. Circle three parts. Here, what's the first? They are inside the circle. Next, on the circle. Next, outside the circle.
Yes.
So let us take some points. I take here it is. Let us take A, B, C. Let us take the some points inside the circle. These all are points is called as the interior of the circle only. Okay. Interior of the circle. Okay. Next, on the circle. On the circle is these two. This is for example of this one. P, Q, R. Okay. On the circles. What are the points are there on the circles? P, Q, R.
Yeah.
These
PQR.
three points are called the, what's the? Circumference of the circle. P, Q, R is the circumference of the circle. Okay. Next, outside of the circle, some points X, Y and Z. Okay. These 3 points are called is the exterior of the circle. Outside the circle only. Outside the circle means is the exterior of the circle. These are 3 points is called as the exterior of the circles. Okay.
Yes.
X comma Y comma Z or exterior of the circle. Okay, are you clear? This is, it's over. This topic is over. And next, what is the chord? Do you know the chord? Diameter, are you understood? Diameter is over. Next topic is chord. What is the chord? The line segment joining any 2 points. The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. This is the one circle. This is the center point O. The line segment joining the any 2 points. Here suppose let us take the points A comma B or joining any 2 points on the circle. It is called as the chord. What is this one? Chord. Okay, are you clear? Here it is the chord is declare this one only, AB chord. Okay, another chord. This is also one chord. This is the diameter. Actually, this is the diameter. This is also one chord. Why it is chord? This is also P comma Q. For example, P comma Q. Here it is the center point is O point. Here this is also line segment joining the any 2 points on the circle. This is also. But here this is the chords is the longest chord. So it is also chord. PQ also one chord. And next other also. Here this is also XY. XY is also one chord. Okay. These all is the chords. In all are the chords. Which one is the bigger? This is the PQ is the bigger chord only. Okay. Longest chord. It's over. And next arc. What is the arc? Arc is the part of the circle. The part of the circle between the 2 points. These 2 points A comma B. Okay, this is the one part. Yes. One part of the circle between the any 2 points A comma B on its circle is called as the, this is the arc. Okay, this part is arc. Arc is denoted by, what's the symbol? This symbol. Arc symbol is this one only. Okay, here examples is AB arc. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
What's the arc definitions? Okay, are you clear? Yeah, it's over. Next, what is the minor arc? What is the major arc? What is the sector? What is the line segment? Okay, those are only. Next topic is the minor arc. Minor arc. Yeah, do you know the semicircular figure or arc? Yes. Diameter is divided into how many parts? 2 parts is divided only. Half of the part, the circular is called as the semicircular. This like half part. Okay. After this is the one circle. This part is called as the, here it is the O and here it is the A, B. Okay.
Yes.
This part is called as the, what's the? Semi-circle arc or semicircle. Okay, semicircle arc or semicircle. Okay, are clear? This part, half of the circle is called as the semicircle. And next, if the arc is less than the semicircle, okay, if the arc is smaller than the semicircle, then the arc is called as the minor arc.
Okay.
Okay, are clear? Yeah, this is the, what's the diameter. This is the diameter. So if the arc is less than the, this like, okay, less than this, this is the circle, semicircle. Okay. The smaller than the semicircle. If the arc smaller than the semicircle is called as the minor arc. This part is called as the minor arc. This is the minor arc. Okay. Minor arc. Next, remaining part, this part, ear to ear. Okay. If the arc is longer than the semicircle is called as the, what's the major arc. This part is the major arc. This is the major arc. Okay. Are you understood? What are the minor arc? What are the major arc? Are you understood? Next, sector. Do you know the sector? The area is enclosed. This area is enclosed by an arc. The area is enclosed by an arc and two radii. This is the two radii. Two radii joining the center to the end points of an arc is called as the minor sector. This is the minor sector. Otherwise, same figure you can draw another also. Okay, this figure. Okay, this is the center. Okay, two radii. This is the radius. Okay, are you clear? The area is enclosed by an arc. This is the arc and two radii joining the center. Center here it is the O. Center to the end points of an arc is called as the minor sector. Here this is the sector only. Okay, not minor, here sector. If the sector is minor, then it is called as the minor sector. This part is the minor sector also. Okay, sector and minor sector. Okay, are clear? Next, this is the sector is over, and if the sector is, what's the larger, the sector is major. If the sector is major, then the major sector. Okay. This is the major sector. Are you clear? What is the sector? This area is enclosed by the arc and two radii joining the two radii center to the end points of this of an arc is called as the major sector. Okay, if the sector is the major, then the major sector only. This is the major sector, it's over. And next, major line segments and what are the minor line segments. Okay, here this is the circle. This is the center O. Do you know the chord? Here it is the AB. The line segments joining. The line segment joining the any 2 points on the circle is called as the chord. This is the chord. So what is the minor line segment? What are the major line segments? Minor line segments is the region between the chord. It is a chord. Yes, it is a chord. This is the chord. Chord and the minor arc. It is a minor arc, this one. You already finished. What's the minor arc? Are you understood? This is the minor arc. Minor arc. Okay. this part area. This part area is called as the, what's the? Minor line segment. Minor segment. Minor line, no line, minor segment only. Okay, are you clear? This part, remaining part, this is the major segment. Are you clear? The area is the region or area, the region between the chord and major arc. This is the major arc. This part, this is the major arc, is called as the major segment. Are you understood? This part is the major segment. This is the minor segment. Okay. The region between the chord and minor arc is called as the minor segment, and remaining part, this part is called as the major segment. Are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah, these all are topics. It's over. When the two circles are said to be congruent, they means is the two circles are same radii and same diameters and same circumference and same surface areas. All are the two circles at the, what's the? Congruent circles. When two here it is the same length of the circles. Okay, here it is the same sizes is the same, and radius is also same. Okay, radius is also same, sizes is also same, and circumference is also same, and the surface area is also same. These two circles is called as the, what's the? Congruent circles. When two circles are congruent, are you understood? When two circles are congruent with the same radii of the circles, then two circles are called as the congruent circles. Okay, are clear? Yeah, these all are the definitions, notes, and what are the, all are the notes, and previous class all are it's over. So all are the notes. After later I will give the notes also. Today based on those topics, today we will learn the, what's the? Exercise problems. Exercise 12.1 problem. Yeah, this is the today class work, theoretical class work notes only. Definitions, all are the definitions and notes. After 12.1, all problems and solutions. Okay, notes only. Yeah, based on those topics, today we will learn the exercise problems in Telangana State Book, page number 263 only. Yeah, look at this textbook. First question. Name the following parts from the adjacent figure where O is the center of the circle. Are you understood? Previous all are the topics. Are you understood? Here is the one adjacent figure is give. So from this figure, write the all are the parts names. You write it only one by one only. Here 1 to 8 parts is give only. So first question is AO. AO line segment. What's the AO? Here it is from this figure. This figure is give Gagan Sai. AO. What is this AO? AO is the radius. Okay, this is the diameter. Twice of the radius is equal to the diameter only. So that's why this part only. This part OA is the radius. This is the radius. First question. Given data, how to write it in a given problem from the adjacent figure where O is the center of the circle. To find name the following of the parts from the figure only. So first question AO. AO is this. This part is radius. Do you know the radius? All are it's over. And next second one AB. This is the AB. AB it is year to year only. From this figure year to year AB. So AB is the, what's the AB? Diameter. Here it is the diameter. This is the diameter Gagan side.
Yes.
Next BC. This is the arc symbol is give BC only. So
Arc.
BC here it is the arc. B here it is the arc only. So what is this? This one? Yeah, this is the
Arc.
minor arc only. Why? Because here it is the arc is less than the semicircle only. So that's why this is the minor arc. Do you know the semicircle? Here to here is the semicircle only. So here it is the less than only, less than of the semicircle. So that's why this is the minor arc only. This part is the minor arc. And next AC. AC is the, what's the, here it is the line segment is give. This is the line segment is give only. So AC, here to here. What is this one? What is this name? This is the chord. Do you know the chord? Chord is already finished only. A line segment joining the any 2 points on the circle is called as the chord only. Here it is the AC is the chord. This is the chord. And next, what's the DCB? DCB arc is give. DCB only. So here to here, this one only. This is the, what is this name of this one? This is the major arc. Do you know the major arc? What is the minor arc?
Yes, I know.
If the arc is longer than the semicircle only. Here it is the semicircle or longer only. Longer than the semicircle only. So that's why this is the major arc. Are you clear? If the arc is longer than the semicircle only. So that's why this is the major arc. Next, ACB. ACB only. This part. Look at this textbook, Gagan Sai. Be careful, this part only. ACB.
Yes.
This arc. What is this ACB? Here it is the semicircle.
Yes.
Okay. ACB is the semicircle. From this figure, ACB arc is semicircle. This part is semicircle. Okay, are clear? Next, seventh one, AD. AD line segments, this part. What is this part? This is the line segment is give. So this is the chord.
Chord.
Chord. Chord, so do you know the chord?
Yes.
This is the line segment. And joining the any 2 points on the circle is called as the chord. Next, shaded region. Eighth one is the shaded region. This is the shaded region. BXD1. What is this one? Here it is the region is between the chord and
segment.
Minor arc one.
Minor segment.
Why? Because this arc is less than the semicircle only. So that's why minor only. Minor arc only. This part only. Minor arc and
Minor
chord.
segment.
So that's why is the, this is the minor. What's the segment? Are you clear? Shaded region is called as the minor segment. Okay, this figure. This part is the minor only. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
Why it is a minor segment, are you understood?
Yes.
The region between the chord and minor arc is called as the minor segment. Okay, these all are the, it's over. First bit, all of the questions, it's over. And
Yes.
next, second bit. State true or false. First one. A circle divides the plane on which it lies into 3 parts. Yes, circle is divides the plane on which it lies into 3 parts.
Yes.
What's the interior of the circle, circumference of the circle, on the circle and outside of the circle. So it is true only. This statement is true. Already it's over. And next, the region enclosed by a chord and the minor arc is called as the minor segment.
Yes.
Just before is finishing this one only. Chord and minor arc. This
Yes.
part area is minor segment. So it is true. Next, third one. The region enclosed by the chord and the major arc is called as the major segment. This part. So it is a true one. Okay, includes the chord and the major arc is, it is nothing but major segment only.
Yes.
Next, fourth one. A diameter divides the circle into 2 unequal parts. Diameter is divided into How many? Two equal parts is given in this figure, Gagan sir. Look at this figure too. Equal parts only.
Yes.
But in the statement is given, unequal parts is given only. So that's why the statement is it false or true?
False.
False. Why it is false? Are you understood?
Yes.
Unequal is gave only. So that's why it is false. And next, fifth one. A sector is the area enclosed by two radii and chord. A sector is the area is enclosed by two radii and arc, not chord. Sector means it is nothing but the area is enclosed by the arc and two radii. Center to the, what's the? Center to the end points of the arc only. So that's why it is arc here. It is the arc. It is a sector. But it is in given statement is two radii and chord is given. So that's why the statement is false. Are you clear? If it is arc is given, it is a true one. The statement is true. Next, sixth one. The longest of all chords of a circle is called a diameter. Longest of all chords of a circle. Longest of all chords of a circle is called a diameter. Is it a diameter? Yes, it is a diameter. So, the statement is true. And next, seventh statement. The midpoint of any diameter of a circle is the center.
Yes.
The midpoint of a diameter of the circle is center?
Yes.
Yes. This is the center only. Diameter of the center. So, the statement is it true or false? True only. Are you clear? Are you understood? This is the exercise 12.1. All problems and solutions. It's over. Yeah. Gagan Sai, once read and practice. These all is the circle definitions. What's the parts of the circles? Okay. Each and every definitions you read and practice. Okay. Your last page in your C in Telangana State Book, page number 279. Yeah, here you already ticked only here to here. These are all points. Once again, read and practice at home, Gagan side. Okay. Tomorrow I will ask these all questions only. Okay. Today class, are you understood?
Yes.
Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Yeah, today my class is over. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say bye.
Bye.